So friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Android virtual device, that is the emulator of Android Studio. Before going to that, let me ask you one thing: what is emulator? If you know, then it's okay. If you don't know, then listen to me. What happened? What is emulator? Emulator is the kind of machine where we are going to run our application to know how our application is going to work. Okay, so emulator is the kind of device that may be your phone. If you have no phone or you have no Android phone, then you can use Android Studio emulator. Okay, so Android have given you the virtual machine, that is AVD, Android virtual machine. So this is the AVD manager, is the icon where we can launch our virtual devices. Now look at the virtual devices. I have three virtual devices: Pixel 2, Nexus 4 and Nexus 10. If you are thinking that these are the real phones, obviously not. These are the virtual phones. I can't hold this phone, but I can use these phones. These are the software configuration like as Android. Okay, let me run a virtual device and show you how a virtual device is running. Okay, now look, my emulator is being opened. Listen, now my emulator is ready and it is showing the latest version, Android Oreo version. Okay, this is my phone. I can use like a phone. These are my apps. These are the default apps of the phone, and I have installed some apps. So this operation is like a phone. Okay, the notification panel, all are like a Android phones. Okay, so but the real thing is, it is not real. It is a software based virtual machine. We can hold that machine, but we can use that machine. Okay, so if you want to test your application in your mobile, then you can also plug in your USB cable and run the application in the mobile. So what we have discussed emulator is the machine where we can run our application. Look at this button. This button is showing create a virtual machine. Click on that. On clicking on that, it will asking you which type of phone you are going to choose. If you want 5.5 inch screen, you can use Pixel XL, Pixel 2, Nexus S. Whatever phone you want to create the screen resolution, then you can choose that phone and hit on next. On hitting on next, it will asking you to which OS you are going to use, which Android version you are going to use. So I have installed two Android versions. One is Nougat, another is Oreo. So I am proceeding with Oreo because this is the recent one. So hitting on next, it will ask some name. If you want to change the name, you can change the phone name or some configuration. If you don't want anything, then hit on finish. Okay, after hitting on finish, it will compile all the things and it will give you a virtual machine. I have previously 3 virtual machine, but this time I have 4 virtual machine. Look at the list. The new virtual machine is being included Nexus S API 26. This is the virtual machine now I have created. Okay, this is having resolution 480 into 800 is DPI. Okay, so by this you can create your virtual machine, or if you want to edit the configuration, you can edit the configuration. If you want to delete or wipe data, you can do all the things on hitting on the more operations. Okay, so I am going to delete this virtual machine because I have 3 virtual machine. Now I will showing you how you can delete your virtual machine. So hit and delete and hit and delete. The new virtual machine is being deleted. So this much is emulator, how you are going to create your emulator, and in the next video we are going to run application in emulator. Till now, stay tuned. Thank you.